Greetings, Chris Viola here. Today we're taking a look at Adobe Express's new AI tools. When you go into Creative Cloud and click on this is the Adobe Express Beta, as you can see up here in the upper left corner, it launches to a web page. This seems to be more oriented toward social media and people doing quick marketing things than the Adobe Photoshop AI tools, which are more about photography. No real surprise there, but let's give it a try. Let's start with we'll do Photo New and see what kind of tools we get here. We'll try. So we'll start from one of our own photos here. We'll take this exciting photo of a fire hydrant, and let's see what options we have under Create New. And as you can see here, it's mostly social media choices like create a square Instagram post out of it, a flyer, Instagram story, TikTok video, Facebook, blah, 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 blah. Lots and lots of stuff here. But almost all either a social media or you can see here there's a lot of straight marketing stuff. Etsy shop covers, flashcards, gift certificate. Let's LinkedIn blog post. Let's try that. And it sets it up and then adds your text tools here. Let's go back and give this another try here and try one of the other tools here. This seems pretty straightforward actually, but for someone who's not used to it, it might be interesting. So let's give it a shot with we'll do the same one that we did with DALL-E when we first started this series. So let's do painting in the style of Salvador Dali about perfecting equilibrium. I remember this is the prompt that actually resulted in our current logo. And reasonably fast and reasonably interesting. I'm not sure how that's perfecting equilibrium, but it's like any of these DALL-E or Midjourney prompts that you simply have to experiment with. Some interesting things here. And like those, you can load more. You can get other options. You can do it again. Yeah, these are fairly repetitive here. Let's see what these things do here. Style, movements, themes. I'm not sure content type. Let's try art and see what that does. Intriguing. Got a completely different look here. And then these are more similar to that's interesting though. Yeah, I think this is, again, it's much like DALL-E or like Midjourney. It's less a question of good or bad and a question of do you get a result that you find usable or interesting. This is a little bizarre down here. I wonder what that's about. So, in any case, that is Adobe Express's Beta AI tools. Hope you're having a great week. Feel out.